Og vi er klar til den semifinale i letvægt minus 65 kilo. Og her har vi med rødt bælte med ryg nummer 16.
The other semi-finals, two fighters from the very same clubs met, Runners and Viborg. With red belt Klaus Willikær, 16 years old, to meet Dennis Peterson, 19 years old. Klaus is already behind with Borg as he missed. Soon after the start, the brilliant talent of Dennis Peterson shone brightly. He knocked out his opponent flat and was ready for the final.